Hello world, again, so soon, but I have stuff to show you, and I don't think a lot of people know about this, so first of all, if you are a student, or if you know a student, you can get a free year of Gemini and Google AI Pro, and I'm not promoting this because they're paying me. That would be lovely if Google was paying me some coins, but no. And you can see the offer expires the 30th, 2026. They keep changing that date because I could have sworn it was about to end at the end of this month. But if you're a student and you can verify that you're a student, you just have to have like a student ID or something. Great thing for you. Also, kind of what I'm planning on doing is the Swift Student Challenge. So that's what I'm on the road to currently, which is why I need to hurry up and finish this video because I got to do stuff for this. I got to submit by the 28th. But, you know, I'm on the road to Apple headquarters in Dub Dub, so stay tuned. So I wanted to show you freaking Jupiter. You probably know how to get to Jupiter. If you don't, let's go to the immersive environments. And then you want to choose Jupiter. If you don't have these downloaded, because like, for example, you see how those ones have a cloud with a downward pointing arrow? That means you haven't downloaded them yet. Those light ones I don't really use. So, Jupiter, let's go into there. And let's turn on the immersion. Just dialing in with the crown. Yeah, so this is Jupiter. Everybody knows how to get here. If you have a VisionPro, I hope you know how to get here. And if you don't, I'm glad I can show you the craziness that is all of Jupiter in the space and the cosmos and the stars. And like, yeah, just everything you're seeing currently is, I'm still in my bathroom, obviously, but Jupiter. So anyway, really quickly, you want to open your hand, look at it. You're going to see a home button. Flip your hand over. This is the lot, I know, but this is the system. You're going to see this, a pill icon with time, date, volume controls. Click your fingers together. Tap. Now, here, you see Jupiter? See that little icon? It looks like planets. It says Explore Jupiter. You want to go there. I looked up how to pronounce the name and I already forgot. I think it's Amalthea. Amalthea. So that's the moon we're currently on. This is the planet or the moon we're standing on. All this ice and other dirt or whatever comprises this moon. But it's just a small little interactive thing. And you can change the speed of the orbit of the stars. Go regular. And you can even pause it if you want to. And I say to people, like, you know, you have to understand that the architecture of the VisionPro is built off of what came before it. So in the same way that you have a wallpaper for your Macintosh computer, in the same way that you have a screensaver, or I mean, sorry, not a screensaver, in the same way that you have a wallpaper for your iPhone, these are the wallpapers for VisionPro. This is what happens when you introduce three-dimensional elements and detail. So I'm gonna go back to faster. I just like it spinning. It looks cool. So for here, you have different options, and you can change from dawn, and it dynamically changes what's happening with the planet. Sunrise. So that way you can see what a afternoon maybe would look like on Jupiter. And look at the swirling, like look at the detail in there. Hopefully you can see the detail. But yeah, this is the only environment that I know of that has this. Even, for example, another space environment, the moon. Normally, this is what shows up when you have an environment, and it's just the thing to change the environment from light to dark. So kind of a dark mode and light mode for your wallpaper or for your environment, whatever you want to call it. But because of Jupiter being a new environment, I forget when they added it, you now have this ability to go a little deeper into the view from Amalthea, one of the inner moons. It's fastest rotating planet in our solar system with only a day that is 10 hours long. Select from the times of the day to see how lighting and the moon alignments shift over time. So not only can you choose like time of day and all that for like, but you have the ability to basically control time. So you see this bar right here? You grab that and you can just slide it over or slide it over the other way. And in essence, you're just looking at space and time, like, and what's happening on that planet. I know it's a fake planet, but still, I wonder. Like, I've never been to Jupiter. But yeah, so again, this is just Apple showing off what's possible with their magical product. And again, I don't think too many people knew about this. So, yeah, there you go. Have a great day.